You pinned this flower on my shirt, your small hand in mine. We sway, everyone laughing all around us, but my heart drifts far away.
I see my father by the doorway, suit too big, but smiling wide. Mama humming in the kitchen every step. I feel her by my side.
It is painful
To live without parents when I remember I don't sleep at night. Every slow spin cuts me deep inside. I feel the pain of being lonely, longing in this crowded, shiny room tonight.
It is painful
To live without parents, still I hold you and I hold on tight. You rest your cheek upon my shoulder, but there's a tremble in your breath. I close my eyes and see my mother braiding ribbons in my dress.
the way she'd fuss over my heartbeat,
Dance, my girl.
but take it slow. Now I turn and there's an empty table, two chairs where they don't
Show. Oh, tell me, love, can you feel them in the silence between each beat? When the world keeps spinning around us, but their faces never leave.
It is painful
To live without parents when I remember I don't sleep at night. Every slow spin cuts me deep inside. I feel the pain of being lonely, longing in this crowded, shiny room tonight.
It is painful
To live without parents, still I hold you and I hold on tight.
We dance for the ones who raised us, for the prayers they used to say, for the stories by the lamplight that carried us to today.
If a blessing is a heartbeat, then there's still moves in ours. So we lift our eyes and whisper, watch us. We have come this far.
It is painful
To live without parents when I remember I don't sleep at night. Every slow spin cuts me deep inside. I feel the pain of being lonely, longing in this crowded, shiny room tonight.
It is painful
To live without parents, but in your arms their love survives.
when the ballroom empties and the lights go low. We'll say their names so gently, and in this reggae glow, every tear we're shedding is a seed of love they sow.